Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om. So we were seeing this pratyas, vibhaktis, meaning the case endings, the nominal case endings. So the nominal case endings are given two names, vibhakti and pratyaya. They will be added to or suffixed with the base word. The base word is called pratipadika. Two sutras defined what a pratipadika is. What is a pratipadika? Two sutras defined what a pratipadika is. Arthavat adhatu apratyaya pratipadikam. Then कृत्तद्धित समासाश्च. अर्थवत धातु अप्रत्ययः प्रातिपदिकः, कृत्तद्धित समासाश्च. Two sutras. Arthavat meaningful, adhatu not a root word, apratyayः not a case ending. That is called pratipadika. And krit ending, there is a nominal verbal case ending, can be sometimes nominal also. Verbal case ending, nominal case ending, which is a krit and tadita. They also can be called as a and samasa. The compound words are also called as a pratipadika. So this defined what a pratipadika is. So from the root word you have to derive the pratipadika either from the root word or from the usage. So if you are going to take from the root word, there are some rules to remove the unwanted characters from the root word, or some changes take place for the root word to be used even as a pratipadika. This is one. For the pratipadika also similar rule follows. There are rules which remove the unwanted characters from the pratyaya, vibhakti, or changes the characters to something else. So we have two things, dhatu, pratyaya. In both we have unwanted characters, removal of unwanted characters. Second is replacement. So we will first see for what is for dhatu. See in the Laghusiddhanta Kaumudi, Varadacharya has brought in these sutras at a place where it is necessary to understand the sutra. What I do is simply club all these sutras pertaining to the dhatu, changes in the dhatu, and pertaining to the changes in the pratyaya, so that we understand in a whole before entering the verbal case ending, the nominal case ending, we will understand what happens. So this for dhatu we will see. First sutra, धात्वादेः सहसः,
धात्वादेः सहसः,
धात्वादेः सहसः,
धात्वादेः सहसः,
धात्वादेः सह, धात्वादेः शः सः. धात्वादेः is sixth case, शः is sixth case, सः is first case. There are two sixth cases. Visheshana, Visheshya Bhava, adjective and adjectified. Adjective and adjectified. You have to see the page number Dhatvadehe Shahasa, Laghusiddhanta Kaumudi, response on the Laghusiddhanta Kaumudi. It is somewhere later. It will come later, not here. I am just bringing this. the page number 53. 53. '53, 255 sutra. 255. So, Dhatvadehe Shahasa. Sixth case, Dhatvadehe, sixth case Shaha. So, this is Vishesh Vishesh Bhava. The sutra says, Dhatu Adi Shakara becomes Sakara. The Shakara in the beginning of the Dhatu is converted into Sakara. So we have this form, which is a Shtha Gati Nivruttau Dhatu. Shtha Gati Nivruttau. Yes, that's Shtha Gati Nivruttau. Shtha Gati Nivruttau. Shtha. It has a Shakara in the beginning. So, according to the current sutra, what I do is I change the Shakara into Sakara. Shtha is Shakara plus Tha. According to this sutra, I change Shakara into Sakara. Shakara plus Tha. Shakara plus Tha becomes Sakara plus Tha. Now, Stoho Shunashtuhu, Shtunashtuhu, Stoho Shtunashtuhu. According to that, you have Thakara changes, Sakara changes, this Thakara changes because of, the Sakara changes to Shakara because of Thakara. Then Nimitta Apayaye, Naimittikasya Apaya, this Thakara also changes. It becomes Tha. Stha Gati Nivruttau. It becomes Stha. You have Stha. Nimitta Apaye, Naimittikasyapi Apaya. Okay. So, this is one thing. Stha. Then, Nonaha.
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 Nonaha. Same. Dhatvadehe follows from the previous sutra. And from this sutra we have Dhatu Adi Nonaha. Dhatu Adi Nakara becomes Nakara. The sutra is No Naha. This is the sutra. No Naha. Dhatu Adi Nakara becomes Nakara. The example for this is Nada. Nada becomes Nada. The Nakara becomes Nakara. Nada. If the Shaka Dhatu, in the beginning of the Dhatu there is Shakara, it becomes Sakara. If in the beginning of the Dhatu we have Nakara, it becomes Nakara. So these two sutras we have. Next, these two sutras changes the beginning characters. Then comes this sutra. Adirni Tudavaha.
Adirni Tudavaha.
Adirni Tudavaha.
Adirni Tudavaha.
Adirni Tudavaha. Adihi Ni Ni to do aha becomes ni to davaha. Ni to davaha. Adihi, in the beginning. Sixth case. Ni to davaha is also sixth case. What happens? Dhatu adi ni slash 2 means tavarga slash do means ni to not tavarga. It's not tavarga. It's two character. To or do becomes a lopa. It becomes it. If it becomes it, tasya lopaha negates it. Okay? The nyakara, takara, to or do becomes a it. That is what this sutra says. Okay. We'll take an example. There is a nibhir. Nibhir is the dhatu. Nibhir. So, because of adi nitudavaha, adi in the beginning we have ni, it gets a it and lopa. Bhir, we have bhir. Because of adi nitudavaha, ni gets a lopa, we have bhir. And in bir, refa becomes a halantyam. We have only bhi. We have two sutras. Adi, then halantyam. Two sutras. Adi nitodavaha, halantyam. Halantyam, refa goes. Next, tunadi samruddhau. Next dhatu is tunadi samruddhau. Tunadi samruddhau. Tunadi samruddhau. In the beginning you have two. According to this adi nitudavaha, you have two lopa. Two becomes it. Tasya lopaha. You drop that it. You have nadi. You have nadi. This is adi nitudavaha. Again, in nadi, ikara gets dropped because of upadeshe aj anunasika it. It becomes nad. Because this is it, idito num dhatoho comes and gives a num. Nanda, nandati, nandita, etc. comes from this. Then you have do. For do we have the famous dukri karane. Nahi nahi rakshati dukri karane. Dukri karane. Do. Adir nitudavaha. You have kri. Then nakara halantyam. You have only kru. Only kru remains. Okay, these are the changes which generally the dhatus undergo. Now we have some sutras for the pratyas also. लशक्वतद्धिते
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 लशकु atadhite. Sutra is of two parts. Lashaku atadhite. Lashaku atadhite. Atadhite is seventh. Lashaku is sixth. This is pratyaya. So from the other sutra comes pratyaya adi. Pratyaya adi lakara, shakara and kavarga. La lakara, sha shakara, ku kavarga. In the pratyayadi, and that too atadhita pratyayadi. Atadhita pratyayadi. Atadhita is seventh case, so should not say when tadhita. Atadhita follows. This is in artha, in the atadhita meaning, in the atadhita sense, tadhita binna sense. In when it is not a tadhita pratyaya, the pratyaya is not a tadhita pratyaya, and if it is a beginning with lakara, shakara or kavarga, then what happens? It becomes it. It means tasya lopaha. So for this, for each of this we will take an example. Shakara, su aujas, aukshas. 2 1. Shas. 2 1. Nominal case ending 2 1 is shas. So in that shas, the pratyayadi, this is nominal case, this is not tadhita, this is subanta. So in that we have shakara, the beginning character is shakara, so that becomes it. We have as. Okay, as, and there is a sakara. What happens to it? Sakara, halantyam. Don't say halantyam here. Halantyam will not come. We'll see what, why. We'll keep this like that. Then, so it's nebhyam is 4 1. Nye. Nakara plus ekara. Nakara gets lopa. You have ekara. Ngasi. Ngas, ngasi, ngas, etc. 6 5 1 6 1. You have as.
This character 41, the first.
4 1 nye.
Nye.
Nye. 1 yes dot here. Nye. So this you have nye, shas, etc. See, if what Panini Maharaj wants is only as, or what he wants is only a, then why should he waste one character, nakara? Because half character is a birth of sun, the happiness equal to birth of sun. So why did he waste? This is not wasting, he has used it for a specific purpose called nit, etc. If it becomes nita, there is a special function for that. So for those sutras he has given this variant nakara. Okay, then next sutra, chutu,
Chutu.
chutu,
Chutu.
chutu,
Chutu.
chutu. Chutu. Again, atadhita pratyaya adi. You can say atadhita pratyaya adi cha varga or ta varga becomes it. Atadhita pratyaya adi cha varga or ta varga becomes it. Pratyadi chavarga or tavarga becomes it. We have su au jas. Su au jas. 1 3 is jas. It starts with jakara. Jakara is chavarga. Therefore, it gets dropped. We have as. Su au jas out shas ta bhyam his 3 1 ta becomes a. After takara gets it, you have a. Tasya lopaha. Only a remains. So we said we should not drop this sakara. In as or in shas, we should, in jas or shas, we should not drop this sakara. Or in 2 1 we have This makara should also be not dropped. This sakara should not be dropped. This makara should not be dropped. And then what are the other characters which are not to be dropped? Then this seems to be very arbitrary. We say no. He brings in a sutra, na vibhaktau tu smaha.
Na vibhaktau tu smaha.
Na vibhaktau tu smaha.
Vibhaktau tu smaha.
Na vibhaktau tu smaha. Na vibhaktau tu smaha. Na vibhaktau tu smaha. Na avyaya 0. Vibhaktau 7th case. Tu smaha 6th case. In the vibhakti 7th case. In the vibhakti na tusmaha. Tusmaha does not get it. Vibhaktau tu means tavarga, sakara, makara, na it. That is what this sutra says. Vibhakti, takvarga, sakara, makara will not get it. So we saw us. In 1 3 we had just. We had just. Chutu, it became as. Now, if you want to apply halantyam, then this sutra says this is a vibhakti. We already declared this is a vibhakti. Vibhaktischa gave this pratyaya vibhakti name also. Sutra is vibhaktischa. Pratyaya gave it pratyaya sanya. Vibhaktischa gave it vibhakti sanya. Now, in the vibhakti, the sakara should not become it. So, this will remain as. In the vibhakti, 2 1. 2 1. In the vibhakti, the makara should not be it. It will be remain as Okay? At. There also, in 5-1, it will become at. This takara, tavarga, should not become a it. So according to this sutra, the sakara, makara and tavarga in the vibhakti will not get a halantyam sutra. Halantyam will not be applied for the vibhakti sakara, makara, tavarga. That is what this sutra said. Then we have Sudha Navamsaksya. We will see this. Because we have to bring in the Sarvanamasthana. We are introducing you to another Sanya, Sarvanamasthana. We will see this. Hari Om.